This is dark main wash. I'm using surf liquid today. It's just it has gone more water with that, you know, since I last used it, surf liquid. Probably means it's ultra concentrated or something. These are new clothes in here, so there's going to be a lot of dye coming off of these. It is on darker, 30 degrees, that's what these PJs that I bought had to go on. I've not used powder anyway today. Dye's already coming off those. Yeah, you can see a bit of dye coming off them. Yeah. When it starts doing that, what do you call it, distribution power stream type thing, you'll probably see it a bit more. I have put 2 colour catchers in. So I knew there were a lot of dye that would come off these. Into the main wash now. It's not even done any top-ups today either. It's such a small load. When that reaches an hour and 16 minutes, it'll start distributing. So I think on the next clockwise rotation, it'll start distributing. There we go. It's a bit of an out of balance distribution. There we go. That's better. When it heats up a bit more the water, it goes a bit deeper. It rises a tiny bit. I'll keep on filming for the next rotation anyway. So it'll go anti-clockwise on the next distribution. Dye's already coming off those. When I last used liquid it suds up a bit more, you know, but it doesn't now, does it? There we go. Colour catcher there, you can see the dyes coming off it. It was the best idea to put 2 in anyway. So there's 2 brand new PJ sets in here, so 1 for each. I like watching a ball go around in the washer. I always have done. That's a good shot of the ball though. Sometimes it's actually got stuck in the seal, but not on this machine, it hasn't. On the other one it did.